K5. I don't know what part. Just go with it. Yeah. So long story short, there's a floor, and then this top section has to curve around it to go down, and then this wheel well has to butt up to it, and it was all really terrible. So we cut it all out. So I replaced that part, and now we gotta do this part, and then we'll have to do this part, and I'll make it all mesh together really nice. So here we go. Enough for who it's for. Yeah. Throw some carpet down, you'll never know it's there. Moving on.